Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Made. Today we'll try to learn how to turn this into night and also add lights to these headlamps. So first we'll come to color lookup. Will be as brief as possible. Color lookup come from day to night. Close. So what you do next is you create a new layer here on top of your color lookup layer. You come to press Ctrl B for brush. Make sure the opacity is 100, the flow is 100. So come to this area and click once. Change the blend mode to color dodge add. Color dodge add. Now open the blending mode option by double tapping it, then click transparent shape layer, click OK. Open new layer also, Ctrl B and B rather, again tap it, change the blend mode to color here to color. Come here. Now open a new layer again. Let's see. Let me try to adjust this. Let me adjust this accordingly. Like this. Now let me open a new layer like this. Layer 4. Open a new layer. So we're going to use the gradient tool. Let's set it to black, to default black. So you gently swipe like this. Sorry, Ctrl Z it like this. Press the move tool. Click on the layer on the layer 4. Ctrl J. Then Ctrl T to transform. Flip horizontal. Take it up like this. Press enter. That's it. So let us try to enhance the image a little bit more. Export the image. This is how I do mine. Tutorial. Okay. Tutorial. So let's wait while it's loading. So we want to make the image, we want to give life to the image. Open file location. Sorry, my system is kind of freezing. Open file location. Let's drag the image down to Photoshop. Ctrl Shift A for camera raw filter. Let's wait while it's loading. Camera raw. So we adjust it here. Okay, contrast a little bit, highlights a little bit, shadows a bit, and the whites. Also, it increases the light automatically. And this is for the surroundings. Now the texture of the image sharpens rather. Clarity too much. because we are trying to get a night kind of feel in the ears. Then for the vibrance, to add more yellow to the image. Saturation is too much, too much, too much. I think this is okay. Click OK. That's it. So this is more realistic now. Let's export the image if you want to. So this is how I did that design.